So I just put 5 grand down for my next product. Well, I mean, the sample did come in broken, but like, aren't all Chinese suppliers trustworthy? Hey, is this Amazon seller support? Yeah, I just want to call and thank you guys. Like, thank you so much for keeping your fees low. They just get lower and lower every year, and it just makes my business so much more profitable. So I told him I only had $200 to start in private label. And he said, dude, don't worry, that's plenty of money. All you gotta do is buy my course first. You know what surprises me every time? These Chinese suppliers have such good English. Like, I think it's better than mine. So I heard that Amazon was gonna start accepting PayPal so they could charge us PayPal fees too. So I figured out why I wasn't being successful, dude. It was right there in front of me the whole time. So I had Jungle Scout, I had Viral Launch, dude, but I think if I get Helium 10 too, bro, I'm gonna be on top of it. So you're telling me his new course is 50% off? So like it's only $1,000 today? Holy crap, I'm gonna go buy 2. You know my favorite part about selling on Amazon? The giveaways. Who doesn't love just giving away a bunch of free product? It's like I'm making it Christmas for everybody else. Get this, Amazon just suspended one of my listings for a bogus IP claim. I just really love how much Amazon cares about us as sellers. Oh yeah, I just made my first Amazon sale. Kind of the new Greg Mercer. Dude, I'm really looking forward to Q4. No, not for the sales, dude. For Amazon to jack up their storage fees. And I was like, dude, just get a second Amazon account, bro. It's so simple. Amazon wants you to have as many accounts as possible so you make more sales. It's so simple. More accounts, more sales, more bang for you and Amazon. So I got my account suspended, and get this, I called into Amazon and they were so nice and so helpful. I think they answered every one of my questions and got me unsuspended immediately. So I just ordered 5,000 units, so we have at least 2,000 to do giveaways with. So yesterday I was thinking, okay, you know what helps me make a lot more money on Amazon? When Amazon jacks up their fees. Oh, Donald Trump's new tariffs on China? Absolutely love them. Here's the best part. Air shipping was only $23 a kilogram. Boom! So I walked into Walmart and literally every product that I scanned was profitable, dude. It was like my birthday. Hey, this is Adam. If you enjoyed that video, please leave a thumbs up. If I get 100 likes on this video, I'm gonna do a part 2. And if you got something funny I could say in part 2, please leave that in the comments. You'll probably get featured in part 2 if we end up doing one. If you guys don't know who I am, I've been selling on Amazon for about 6 months now. I started doing a bunch of arbitrage, and now I have added in one private label product, making about $1,000 a month in profit. If you'd like to see all the numbers behind that product, I'll put a link to that video right here. And the whole goal of this channel is to help you guys get to your first $5,000 a month on Amazon. If that's something that you're interested in, I would appreciate it if you hit that subscribe button, and I will see you guys in the next video.